Sergeant, wake up! Ah! Ah! It's raining today. Yeah, it's raining today. Listen to it. It's raining. It's raining. You hear that? Yeah, I hear raining. It's raining today. We cannot go outside. Ah! 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 Ow, that hurt. Ow! My ankle. Why do you scream like that, crazy zebras? Which zebra did that? Which zebra did that? I don't know. I read the face and the back. It's raining today. It is raining. Yeah, but zebras are hurting me. I hate the zebras. It's raining today. I hate the rain. Me too. I hate the rain. I hate rains. They're boring. Nice day today. It is a nice day. I hear rain. There's raining. It's raining today. Yeah, it is raining. It's raining. It's book time. Stop it, book time. I hate book time. Oh my God, I'm wet. I'm wet. I'm gonna go outside. I'm going to go outside. I'm going to go outside. Oh my God, it's noisy. It's raining outside. Help, help, help. What is wrong, chicken? Why are you acting like that? Because I'm wet. Oh, let me feel. You're wet. Yeah, I'm wet. I hate being wet. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I hate the rain. The rain, it's crazy. I don't want to be wet. I don't want to be wet at all. If it's raining, stay at home. Do not go outside. Do not ever. Do not go outside when it's raining. Do not go to stores. You might crash and slip. That isn't true. It is true. Let me eat one. No. He tastes like chicken. We bet.